Gmail desktop version on Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to Chrome, then search for Gmail. As you can see, all these Chrome pages are in desktop format. This is because I have switched to desktop site. To do so, tap on the three dot over here and then check this desktop site box and you will get the desktop version in any of the apps you are using in Chrome. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.